Miniature Fairy Gardening 2.0, a quick step-by-step guide on how to make your own fun miniature fairy gardens by HowExpert with Casey Anderson. Have you ever seen those adorable containers with the tiny houses, small plants, and little fairy creatures? Those are called fairy gardens. They are super fun to make. If you liked the idea and look of them, but always felt it was too complicated or creative for you to do yourself, then you should listen to this audiobook. It's a handy guide to get yourself in the mindset for fairy gardening that's also full of tips about how to create them. You don't have to be super artsy, crafty, or have a green thumb to make a fairy garden. The most important quality to have is imagination and a desire for fun. You will be able to learn some of the best places to buy and find fairy garden items, imagination stimulation, popular plants for fairy gardens, ideas and materials for creating your own pieces, step-by-step instructions for making certain fairy items, how to turn everyday objects into magical fairy pieces, tips for choosing pots and locations, layout ideas, showing off your new fairy garden, and much more. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.